Hi friends, today we are going to learn letter B. Let's start. Join with me. B for balloon. Balloon. Balloon starts with the letter B. B. B for bee. B. B starts with the letter B. B. B for ball. Ball. B for bear. Bear. Bear starts with the letter B. B for butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly starts with the letter B. B for bus. Bus. Bus starts with the letter B. B for bat. Bat. Bat starts with the letter B. B for banana. Banana. Banana starts with the letter B. B for boat. Boat. Boat starts with the letter B. B for bug. Bug. Bug starts with the letter B. B for bird. Bird. Bird starts with the letter B. B for boy. Boy. Boy starts with the letter B. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and like my video. Thank you.